The Indian government has approved the construction of a second indigenous aircraft carrier to be known as IAC-2. The proposal will be placed before the Defense Acquisition Council, DAC, for final approval. The IAC-2 will be built by state-run Cochin Shipyard at a cost of around 40,000 crore rupees. It will be a repeat order of the IAC-1, which was commissioned in September 2022. The Navy has been pushing for 3 aircraft carriers to deal with China's growing naval prowess in the Indian Ocean. Dynamatic Technologies has successfully delivered the first Airbus A220 escape hatch door to Airbus Atlantic, marking a significant milestone in the development and production of this crucial aircraft component. Dynamatic collaborated closely with Airbus Atlantic to ensure the escape hatch door meets the highest quality and safety standards. India considers buying Russian Su-57 fighter jets to address the need for advanced stealth aircraft. India's homegrown AMCA program faces delays, while the Su-57 offers modern features and could bolster India's depleting Air Force squadron strength. India could utilize its existing debt to Russia for Su-57 acquisition, but COTSA sanctions may influence the decision's timing. The Indian Navy will acquire a medium-caliber anti-missile, anti-aircraft point defense weapon system for its vessels. The equipment and accessories are worth 2,956.89 crore rupees. The weapon system is capable of multiple engagements in multi-threat scenarios and has a proven record of performance against missiles and highly maneuverable fast attack crafts. Agnikul, an IIT-Madras incubated startup, is launching the world's first 3D printed engine in a year-end flight test for its orbital launch in 2024. Agnikul, the company's rocket, can carry payloads up to 300 kilograms to 700 kilometers orbits and can be customized for various satellite sizes. Agnikul's goal is to cater to small satellite development for low Earth orbit. The Indian Navy's forthcoming next-generation frigate, NGF, and next-generation destroyer, NGD warships will embrace a high level of automation akin to the latest Japanese destroyers and frigates. This automation is anticipated to substantially reduce crew size requirements and enhance operational efficiency. India is set to establish its own space station, the Bharatiya Antariksh Station, Indian Space Station, by 2035, and achieve a human moon landing by 2040. The space station will consist of 2 modules and an inflatable module, with a total weight of around 25 tons. India will develop its own spacecraft to transport astronauts to the lunar orbit and dock with the Artemis Gateway lunar station, utilizing its infrastructure to land astronauts on the moon. HAL is open to collaborating with the private sector to accelerate the development of a 6th-generation fighter jet. The company recognizes the need for private sector expertise and innovation, but emphasizes the need for clear requirements before engaging with partners. HAL is committed to leveraging all available resources to achieve this ambitious goal. Ordnance factory Khamaria, OFK, has secured export orders for 40,000 L-70 ammunition cartridge cases and PDM-557 fuses. The L-70 ammunition cartridge cases will be exported to the European Union, while the PDM-557 fuses will be exported to European, African, and other countries. OFK is a leading manufacturer of these products and is known for their high quality and reliability. European missile manufacturer MBDA is integrating its advanced short-range air-to-air missile, ASRAAM, onto the LCA-Tejas Mk-1A fighter jet, enhancing its close-quarters combat capabilities. The ASRAAM's agility, maneuverability, and all-aspect capability will significantly boost the LCA-Tejas's air defense capabilities. The integration is expected to be completed soon, and the ASRAAM-armed LCA-Tejas Mk-1A will enter service with the IAF shortly.